Have you ever wondered if there could be hidden messages in the images you see every day? Imagine, as you scroll through your social media feed, passing secrets disguised as ordinary photos. It sounds like something out of a spy movie, doesn't it? But this isn't just Hollywood magic or fiction. It's a very real practice happening all around us every day, and it's as fascinating as it is elusive. Consider the possibility that the digital world we interact with daily is teeming with concealed information. Messages hidden so cleverly, so subtly that one could stare right at them and remain completely oblivious. Imagine a world where the mundane becomes mysterious, where the ordinary is extraordinary. This is not just a world of cryptic codes and secret agents, it's our world, seen through a different lens. Welcome to the world of steganography, the art and science of hiding messages in plain sight. Steganography is a fascinating field that merges technology, secrecy, and creativity. It's an art as much as it is a science, a technique that has been around for centuries and yet continues to evolve in our digital age. At its core, steganography is about concealing information within another piece of information. The word itself comes from the Greek words steganos, meaning covered or concealed, and graphene, meaning to write. It's a method that's been used since ancient times, with messages being hidden in everything from wax tablets to paintings. In the digital age, steganography has taken on new forms. Now, it's not just about hiding a note in a painting, but about concealing data within other data. This could mean hiding a text file within an image, or an audio file within another audio file. The beauty of it is that to the casual observer, nothing seems amiss. The image still looks like an image. The audio still sounds like audio. The secret is effectively hidden in plain sight. Now, you might be wondering, how is this different from cryptography? Well, while both are methods of concealing information, they work in very different ways. Cryptography is about transforming the message itself into something unrecognizable, a ciphertext that can only be read by someone who has the key. Steganography, on the other hand, leaves the message intact but hides it within something else. It's not about making the message unreadable, but making it invisible. In the modern world, steganography has a wide range of applications. It's used in everything from digital rights management to secure communications. It's a tool for privacy, a way of ensuring that only the intended recipient can find and read the secret message. In essence, steganography is about hiding a secret in plain sight. It's about taking something that's meant to be seen and using it to conceal something that's not. It's a fascinating blend of art and science, a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of the human mind. Now, you must be wondering, how does steganography work? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of hidden data. The magic of steganography lies in the manipulation of binary data. You see, every piece of digital content, be it an image, an audio file, or a video, is essentially a sequence of zeros and ones. By subtly altering this binary sequence, you can embed secret information within the file. One popular method is the least significant bit, or LSB technique. Here's how it works. Imagine a pixel in a digital image. This pixel's color is represented by a binary code of 8 bits. Now, the LSB technique changes the last bit, deemed the least significant because it affects the color of the pixel the least. To the naked eye, there's virtually no change, but in reality, you've just manipulated the binary code to hide a piece of data. Let's say you have an image of a cat. You could change the least significant bit of every pixel in that image to represent a secret message. Voila, you've just created a steganographic image. But remember, the key here is subtlety. Change too many bits, and the image starts to look distorted. Now you might think, that's all well and good for images, but what about other file types? Well, the beauty of steganography is its versatility. The same principles can be applied to audio files, video files, even text documents. The medium doesn't matter. What matters is the manipulation of binary data. But here's the real kicker. The best steganographic techniques leave no trace. They're invisible, undetectable. You could be staring at a steganographic file right now and not even know it. That's the power of steganography. Despite its complexity, the concept of steganography remains simple. It's all about not knowing there's a secret to find. Steganography isn't just an interesting concept, it has real-world applications too. Let's delve into a few examples where this fascinating method plays a significant role. First up, data security. In our digital age, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of information is paramount. Steganography serves as an additional layer of protection. It hides sensitive data in plain sight, making it a tough nut to crack for unauthorized individuals. Imagine a secret message concealed in a harmless-looking image. Intriguing, isn't it? Next, we have digital watermarking. Ever wondered how creators protect their original content from piracy? Steganography comes to the rescue. By embedding a digital watermark, a sort of hidden signature into their work, they can assert their ownership. This invisible seal remains intact, even if the content undergoes modifications, helping to deter copyright infringements. Last but not least, steganography finds use, albeit a dubious one, in malware communication. Cyber attackers often use it to conceal their malicious code within ordinary-looking files, evading detection by security systems. A chilling reminder of the double-edged sword that technology can be. In conclusion, steganography is vital in our increasingly connected world. From safeguarding data to protecting intellectual property, and even in the darker corners of the cyber world, its influence is undeniable. So, next time you look at a picture online, remember, there could be more to it than meets the eye. Today, we've delved into the intriguing world of steganography. We've discovered that steganography is the art of hiding messages within digital content, and we've explored the technical aspects of how this clever technique works. We've also touched on its practical applications, from cybersecurity to digital watermarking. The next time you encounter an image, a video, or even an audio file, remember it might just be carrying a secret message hidden in plain sight.